Hello, food enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're embarking on a culinary adventure to explore the unknown facts behind a beloved Vietnamese dish, Ga Roti. Yes, we all know and love the classic flavors, but there's more to this dish than meets the eye. Stick around as we uncover the hidden secrets and fascinating history of Vietnamese Ga Roti. Before we dive in, let's take a moment to appreciate the beauty of Ga Roti. Golden brown and tantalizingly aromatic, this dish is a staple in Vietnamese cuisine. But did you know that its roots trace back to a unique blend of cultures? Historical roots. To truly understand Ga Roti, we need to go back in time. The dish is a delightful fusion of Vietnamese and French influences, a culinary marriage that happened during the colonial era. French culinary techniques met Vietnamese flavors, giving birth to the exquisite Ga Roti we know today. The unique marinade. Now, let's talk about the secret behind Ga Roti's mouth-watering taste. The marinade. It's not your typical seasoning. There's a distinctive blend of ingredients that makes it truly special. The marinade often includes a mix of fish sauce, garlic, lemongrass, and a touch of sugar, creating a harmonious flavor profile that sets Ga Roti apart. The cooking technique. Here's another interesting tidbit. The cooking technique. Ga Roti is not just roasted. It undergoes a unique process that involves slow cooking and basting. This ensures that the meat remains tender and succulent while the skin crisps up to perfection. It's a labor of love that pays off in every juicy bite. Ga Roti variations. But wait, there's more. Ga Roti isn't a one-size-fits-all dish. Different regions in Vietnam have their own variations and twists on the classic recipe. From the north to the south, you'll find subtle differences in marinades, cooking methods, and even side dishes that accompany this delectable dish. Cultural symbolism. Did you know that Ga Roti holds cultural significance beyond its delicious taste? In Vietnamese culture, it's often associated with celebrations and festivities, making it a symbol of joy and togetherness. Families come together to share a hearty meal of Ga Roti during special occasions, creating lasting memories around the dinner table. The perfect pairing. Now, let's talk about the perfect pairing. What complements Ga Roti? While it's often served with a side of pickled vegetables and a zesty dipping sauce, each region has its own preferred accompaniments. Some like it with fresh herbs, while others enjoy it with a side of fragrant rice. The diverse pairings add an extra layer of excitement to this culinary adventure. Ga Roti's influence on contemporary cuisine. Ga Roti isn't just a dish frozen in time. It has evolved and influenced contemporary Vietnamese cuisine. Chefs and home cooks alike have taken inspiration from the classic Ga Roti, incorporating its flavors into new and innovative dishes. It's a testament to the enduring appeal of this beloved culinary creation. Global recognition. Believe it or not, Ga Roti has gained international recognition as a must-try Vietnamese dish. Its unique blend of flavors, the perfect marriage of East and West, has captivated the taste buds of food enthusiasts worldwide. So, the next time you're exploring Vietnamese cuisine, don't miss out on the extraordinary experience of savoring Ga Roti. Regional influences. Vietnam's diverse regions have left their mark on Ga Roti. In the north, you might encounter a version infused with the earthy flavors of mountain herbs. While in the south, tropical ingredients like coconut milk might find their way into the marinade. These regional influences add a unique flair to the dish. Ga Roti's role in home cooking. Ga Roti isn't just a restaurant delicacy. It has a special place in Vietnamese home kitchens. Families have their own secret recipes, passed down through generations. The dish becomes a canvas for creativity, with home cooks adding personal touches that transform Ga Roti into a family tradition. Ga Roti and street food culture. Venture into the bustling streets of Vietnam, and you'll find Ga Roti sizzling on grills as part of the vibrant street food culture. It's not just a meal, it's an experience. The lively atmosphere, the aroma wafting through the air, Ga Roti becomes a symbol of the dynamic street food scene that defines Vietnamese culinary culture. As we wrap up our journey into the unknown facts of Vietnamese Ga Roti, I hope you've gained a deeper appreciation for this culinary masterpiece. From its historical roots to the unique marinade and cooking techniques, every aspect of Ga Roti tells a story. If you enjoyed this exploration, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting culinary adventures. Until next time, happy cooking!